Greetings everyone. On this episode of Wrench with Matt, I'm going to be installing AAA floor liners in both front and back seats of my truck. I have the factory floor mats. They do an okay job, but the AAA floor liners come right out like to the edge of your trim and stuff and give you a lot more protection and are pretty easy to clean up. So let's compare the two and then I'll get these installed. So here you can see the difference between the factory floor mats and the AAA all-weather floor liners. They cover a lot more area, give you a lot more protection, almost right up to the firewall and across the hump in the middle of the back. So a lot more coverage, a lot more protection, and with us coming into winter, I want to make sure my truck and floor is protected there. The driver's side floor mat just slips right in underneath the pedals. Do make sure it does go under the pedals. I've seen put them on top of them and wonder why their vehicle won't start. You can see instead of the floor mat ending here, it comes all the way out right to the sill there and gives you a lot of protection. Looks good. Uses the factory clips to hold it in place. Let's do the passenger side. Passenger side slips in very similarly. One recommendation is make sure your seat is back some. If the seat's too far forward, it can be a little challenging to get this in there. But other than that, it just slides right in, clipped right in place with the factory clips. Now for the rear seat. Similar to the front seat installation where you want to move the seats back, for the back seat installation, you want to move the front seats forward, give yourself plenty of room. There's a little tightness around the center hump area here with the center console where it juts out. You just got to kind of work it back and forth to get it around that. I do have the hybrid model, so this is a little bit different fitment, but AAA Liners makes a perfect fit mat for the back seat here for the hybrid. So let's get this in. Should be able to just tip it forward, get it installed here. Again, a little tight spot here in the middle, shouldn't be a big deal. Come back and straighten out this side and we should be good to go. A little extra hump there I just need to push down. Settles right down in there. That's a good fit. It looks nice. Sits over the edges right out to the door sills and everything. Gonna protect the flooring pretty well. I'm very happy. So 2 thumbs up, 5 stars for AAA Liners 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma floor mats. I'll have a link in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day and we'll catch you in the next video.